What's up, my heart attacks? Welcome back to my channel. Brushing my teeth in the shower. Yeah, that's kind of weird, right? Does anybody else do that? Anywho, so Duvolle sent me their Radient skincare system, and I have been loving it. I do have a promo code for you guys. I actually don't get a penny of this, so this is just strictly if you want it. I really liked it. What I've been using is my cleanser that I got from the dermatologist. I love this cleanser because it keeps my acne at bay. Ugh, acne. Blech. Who hates pimples? I do. So I really just been letting the brush do the talking. I kind of just hold it over my nose specifically. I simply just guide the brush to my skin. It looks like I'm going ham, but I'm going pretty soft on my skin. So I did show it earlier that the brush comes with a couple brushes. One is a regular face brush, and then the other one is an exfoliator, which is the brush that I'm using now. But I must say that the winner in this kit for me is definitely the body brush. Oh my gosh, I love it, and it has definitely made a huge difference as far as my body acne goes. Now I do like to put a little bit of pressure on the body brush because I really want to get in there. So I tend to scrub my shoulders, my chest, and the middle upper back area. Ugh, that's where I get my pimples. Ugh. Also, the back of my thighs. I don't know if it's just me, but does anybody else like get little granitos like on the back of their legs, like totally ew? I also get a couple ingrown hairs under my arms, so this has actually been helping. Oh, somebody needs to wax. Sorry, guys. Then for the rest of my body, I like to use a everyday exfoliator. This is the one that I'm just currently using. Oh, witch hazel. This is like the best. If you want tight pores and a really inexpensive toner, this is the way to go. Literally giving my face a drink. I just pat this into my face. Instead of rubbing like up and down, I pat it and I'm pushing it into the skin. I'm going to be going in with some essence. Same thing, I like to put it directly on my skin. No cotton pad, wasting no product here. First signs of aging, besides your face and crow's feet, are your hands and your neck. You can't forget those areas. They are so vital. So this is vitamin C, and its purpose is to lighten, brighten, and tighten. Helps lighten up dark spots from acne or marks, brighten up your complexion for that inner glow, and tighten your skin from its daily use of facial expressions. I cannot live without my retinol serum. Retinol helps reverse sun damage, even skin color, tighten your skin, fine lines, improve texture, and stuff like that. And I like to dot the product all over my face so I get every little piece of circumference of skin. Being in the entertainment industry, I feel like there is always going to be that pressure of having to look young and youthful. I believe in preventative measures. I don't go outside without wearing sunscreen. I don't like to lay out hours on end on the beach or the lake or wherever and just damage my skin that way. Protecting yourself from the sun is like the #1 preventative thing that you can do from early aging or sunspots or wrinkles and stuff like that. And to lock everything in comes the hydration. Just keeping your skin hydrated will prevent minor problems from becoming big problems. That's why I think having a good, consistent skin regimen is going to help you in the long run versus getting Botox when you see wrinkles at 30 or whatever. Okay, I'm like obsessed with Vasiline. I'm like the Vasiline queen. I love to moisturize my lips with Vasiline, and then I also like to put just a touch on my eyebrows and on my lashes. I don't know if it actually helps them grow, but that might be a myth. I don't know. It is comedogenic, so it might clog up your pores a little bit, so use sparingly. A good tip, when you're lotioning up your body should be a little bit damp, so it'll help absorb the lotion faster. Now that I smell so fresh and so clean and delicious, that is my nighttime regimen. I hope you guys liked it. Please leave me a comment down below and subscribe to my channel because that would really help me out. And let me know what else you guys want to see. And I will check you guys in my next video. Bye!